Lebanon is a highway for migrating birds, passing between Africa, Europe, and Asia, but they are threatened by excessive hunting. The government has passed new laws aimed at regulating the hunting season and protecting these birds, but those laws are rarely enforced, if at all.
في عصافير ممنوع، هذا ممنوع تقوصي، كله ممنوع.
Still alive, huh?
Yeah, still alive.
That's bad.
That's so
That's
sad.
bad. Well,
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
kind
that's
of bird
illegal.
is this?
We do some
this
rescue
is a kestrel that
campaign.
we have in Lebanon, either on migration or resident species, and it's not in the game list. So it's one of the birds that help farmers eat insects, rodents, and pests. So killing these species means that we will have more and more pests, and therefore more and more pesticides.
Chemicals.
The main problem in Lebanon is the illegal killing of birds,
Yeah.
really. So Lebanon is it's the second most important place in the world for migrating birds, really, this route past the East Mediterranean. And every year there's millions and millions and millions of birds fly past through Lebanon. And every year over 2.5 million birds are killed in Lebanon. A lot of those are globally protected species. They're endangered species, some of them. And there are people in our group that are responsible hunters who follow the law. And that's a very different issue to the big problem, which is just sort of whole-scale slaughter of anything that flies.
We're not against hunting, we're for sustainable hunting. Because in Lebanon, you cannot be against hunting. We evaluate that there are 600,000 hunters out of a population of 4.5 million, so it's a huge number. We have a good law, but we're lacking control and prosecution. So they know where the hotspot of illegal hunting are. Authorities, they know it, but they don't control. They have no patrols, and if they see hunters, sometimes they don't say a word. 60% of our work is advocacy, with the authorities to really enforce the law.
My family is full of hunters, and they would always make me, when I was a child, everyone would tell me, come and eat some birds, we made a big barbecue. And I'm like, no, it's like eating a little baby, go away, I don't want to eat birds. In Lebanon, we need to know that if you love something, you have to let it be. You have to let the bird stay on the tree. You have to let it migrate. You have to let it be.
Not all hunters are irresponsible. We met some on the road who take the new laws and international scrutiny seriously. But there is little doubt that Lebanon has a disproportionately deadly impact on migrating birds.
عندنا هون بلبنان بيطول كرمال يمشي القانون. يعني إذا ما كان في دعم وهيك مثلا حسبي أقرب مخفر فيه 7 عناصر درك. إذا ما اجت وزارة البيئة عملت دزات على الأما فاتت على هون ما في يجوا 5 عناصر درك يطبقوا قانون على كلها في بيكون هون بالموسم. أنا ما بلش الموسم. هون بيكون بدك فالي باركينج كرمال تصفي، ما في محلات تصفي قد ما بيكون في كتير عجقة.